Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 16th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to do my weekly payment proof update video and show you that today, February 16th, I was paid $113 for pay period February 4th through February 10th. So I'm just going to click on this and show you the breakdown really quick. All right, you can see here for the membership referral bonus, I earned $23, and I'll show you the detailed view of this. All right, I had one personal referral during this pay period. I earned $5 there. I earned $4 on my second level, and then I had a bunch of 50 cents on my third and fourth levels for a total of $23. And then the affiliate referral bonus, I earned $90, and I'll show you the detailed view of that really quick. All right, I earned $20 on my personal referral. I earned $16 for level 2, and then I had a whole bunch of $2 on my level 3 and 4, levels 3 and 4, for a total of $90. All right, so altogether that was $113. I'm going to whip out my calculator here. All right, so I'm just going to take you back here to when I first joined. All right, I joined on December 21st. I earned $25 that week, and we'll just do a quick add up of the total. All right, 25 plus 200 plus 165, 304.50, 247.50, 239.60, 1917, 139.50, and 113. So I've earned $1,453.27 so far with LiveGood. Okay. And this week wasn't as much as previous weeks, but that's okay because what's happening is my team is growing, all right? My whole team is growing. So every week is going to be different for the amount of money that I get paid with the company. So I'm ramping it up to bring in more personal referrals each week, and I'm trying some new things here that I'll be doing videos about. Most of them, it's picking up the telephone and calling leads, okay, which my last two videos are about. But anyway, the weekly pay is great. It's extra money. But I'm looking at this long term. Okay, we've had over 100. I'm going to show you right here. All right, so these are my stats for this month. All right, I've brought in 3 personal referrals. So I'm averaging about 1 every week or so, personal referrals. But if I go and click all, check this out. All right, we're halfway through the month, and we have 108 new members on our team. So just think of how big our team is going to be in the next, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months, the next year. It just continues to grow and grow and grow. And that's what I'm looking at this. So the weekly pay is awesome. It's certainly a benefit. But I'm looking at the long-term part of this and seeing that, potentially have thousands of people on our team by the end of this year. Okay, so anyway, that is it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick payment proof update. I'm getting paid every single week from this company. I continue to grind at this every single day. Just making sure I'm doing some income producing activities, whether it's posting on social media or sending out an email. Like I mentioned, I'm going to start doing phone calls and just really hammering down on this, okay? Because I know what's possible with this company, and I know that I can be making a lot more than $113 a week. For now, it's awesome, and I look forward to the many weeks and months and years ahead with this company, okay? So, also, Thursdays is our cutoff date, so anybody who's a pre-enrollee or hasn't pre-enrolled yet, you can do so. You have until midnight tonight to lock in the best possible position in our matrix, okay? So click that link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to the tour page. It looks just like this, right? There's a 5-minute, 55-second video here that you can watch. It explains everything in great detail. If you want to reserve your position, you just put your first and last name and a valid email address. Click reserve my position now, and then you'll have up until midnight tonight to lock in and get the best possible position in our matrix right now. All right, so this is something you don't want to miss out on. We have over 2,000 people here joining this company every single day, and the future is just, it's crazy. When you stop and think about this and know how the compensation plan works, The weekly pay is awesome, like I've said 100 times already, but the matching bonuses in the matrix is where everybody's going to make the most money. All right. So anyway, if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you want to learn more about LiveGood or pre-enroll, click the link in the description box. You'll be taken over here, like I mentioned. And I look forward to working with you. All right. So that is it for this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.